Hi, I'm Trevor. Let me show you how I installed the Retract-A-Gate in like 10 minutes or so. Most people don't want to drill into the banister because then it can leave holes and permanently damage your banister rail. So what we did is just went to a hardware store, got some pieces of wood, and then I zip tied them to the banister, both the top and the bottom and the middle, just to make it as secure as possible and to prevent it from moving. Then I screwed those hooks into the pieces of wood so it protects the banister, making it secure. All this does really is does two things that are really helpful. One is it creates a little gap from the top of your stair to where the gate actually is, so that it gives you a nice amount of space to work with whenever you're using it. And the second thing it does, it just makes it extra secure. We've had it just like this for a little over a year, I think, and it's worked out really well. So there you go. All it takes is screws, some pieces of wood and zip ties, and it should be up and running in about 10 minutes.